Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about hair treatments on the market, the Keratin Salon Direct Keratin Hair Treatment. If you've been looking to tame frizz and enhance the health of your hair, this might just be the game changer you need. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes this product stand out. It promises salon-quality results without the harsh chemicals typically found in other keratin treatments. That means you get all the benefits: smoother, frizz-free hair without compromising on your hair's health. First off, it's formulated with a unique blend of keratin, botanical extracts, and vitamins. This isn't just about surface-level smoothing. It penetrates deep into each strand, strengthening and restoring natural luster. It's like a rejuvenating spa day for your hair, right in your own home. Applying it is a breeze. Just wash your hair, apply the treatment evenly, leave it in for the recommended time, blow dry, and then flat iron for that silky finish. What I love is that there are no strict post-application rules. You can swim, exercise, or style your hair however you like right after. Now, let's talk results. Users rave about how manageable and glossy their hair becomes after using this treatment. It's not just about looking good, it's about nurturing your hair back to health. Wrapping up, the Keratin Salon Direct Keratin Hair Treatment isn't just a quick fix, it's a long-term investment in your hair's well-being. If you're tired of dealing with frizz and want to achieve that salon look from home, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.